Hello student, our today's topic is physical properties of carboxylic acids. Students, aliphatic carboxylic acids up to carbon atom 9s. Aliphatic carboxylic acid up to carbon atom 9s are colorless liquids. Are colorless. The carboxylic acid which has the carbon atom up to 9s are colorless and they are liquids. This condition is at room temperature. The aliphatic carboxylic acid, that means the straight chain carboxylic acids, are colorless and in liquid state at room temperature, and they have unpleasant smell. Unpleasant odor. The aliphatic carboxylic acids having carbon atom 9 up to 9, they are liquid, colorless, liquid in state, colorless and unpleasant odor. But the higher acids which has the carbon atom more than 9s are wax like solid. They are solids, but nature of solid is like a wax. In this way we can see that the aliphatic carboxylic acids which has the carbon atom 9 number up to 9s are colorless and liquids and having unpleasant odor, and the carboxylic acid which has more than carbon atom number 9s are solid, but the nature of solid is like a wax. This is our first property. In second property, there is a solubility related with solubility. The lower carboxylic acids are freely miscible with water. The carboxylic acids are freely miscible with water. This is due to presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water molecule. The intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water molecule. The intermolecular hydrogen bonding is between oxygen of water and hydrogen of carboxylic acid, or hydrogen of water and oxygen of carboxylic acid. Due to this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, the lower carboxylic acids are freely miscible. However, solubility in water decreases gradually due to increasing size of alkyl group. As size of alkyl group increases, size of alkyl group means the number of carbon atom increases, then solubility goes on decreasing. This is our second point related with solubility. Third point is boiling point. The boiling point, carboxylic acids have higher boiling point as compared to alcohols. The carboxylic acids has the higher boiling point as compared to alcohols. Why the carboxylic acids have the higher boiling point than alcohol? Because the intermolecular hydrogen bonding is stronger in carboxylic acids. See here students, the intermolecular hydrogen bonding in carboxylic acid. Here this is a one carboxylic acid molecule. This is one carboxylic acid molecule, and see here this is another carboxylic acid molecule. Students, see the intermolecular hydrogen bonding here and here. The intermolecular hydrogen bonding is occur. This is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding in carboxylic acid, and see here this is a strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and intermolecular hydrogen bonding in alcohol. See here this is a R OH. This is a one molecule of alcohol. This is a second ROH, second molecule of alcohol. See, ROH. This is third molecule of alcohol. See here, this is another molecule of alcohol. See here, the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. See here this intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Here also intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The intermolecular hydrogen bonding in alcohol is weaker than the carboxylic acids. Hence, the carboxylic acid has the higher boiling point than alcohol. The next property is melting point. The melting point of aliphatic monocarboxylic acid shows alteration. That is, the carboxylic acid having even number has higher melting point correspond to the next odd number member. That is, members belongs to homologous series. Homologous series means there is a difference between two members up to CH2 group. In alkane, the homologous series is C2H6, then C3H8, then C4H10. Ethane, propane, butanes are the homologous members of homologous series. In this way, the carboxylic acid which having carboxylic acid, monocarboxylic acid of homologous series, even the corresponding or respective even number carboxylic acids have the more boiling point, melting point than the next odd number carboxylic acid. This is because that the CH3 and COH group, the CH3 and COH group in even number carboxylic acid is compactly packed and forms a closely packed crystal lattice. Hence, the melting point of even number carboxylic acid is higher than the next odd number carboxylic acid. And the last property is related with glacial acetic acid. That is, the acetic acid. Glacial acetic acid is completely pure acetic acid. Completely pure acetic acid. And this is in solid state. Acetic acid below temperature 16.6 degree Celsius. Below the temperature 16.6 degree Celsius, pure acetic acid is converted into ice, or we may say that glacial carboxylic acid. In this way, we see the 5 properties of physical properties of carboxylic acid. Fifth is glacial nature, that is, pure acidic forms the glacial carboxylic acid below the temperature 16.6 degree Celsius. Next, melting point, the homologous member of homologous series, the even number, the carboxylic acid having even number has the higher melting point than the next odd number carboxylic acid. Boiling point of carboxylic acid is higher than the alcohols. Carboxylic acids are freely miscible in water, and the lower members are colorless, then unpleasant odor, and the higher members are wax like solid. In this way, we see the physical properties